Today I'll be walking through the setup for Ethernet IP communication between a KEB drive and a Rockwell PLC using Logix 5000. You will need the EDS file from KEB America to do this setup. Go to the Tools menu and click on EDS Hardware Installation Tool. Click Next. Click Next. Select the EDS file on your computer. Press Open. Then click Next. Click Next. If the KEB logo is showing up here, then select Next. Press Next again, and click Finish. Now that the EDS file is installed, go to A1 Ethernet, right-click, and select New Module. Search KEB. Select the drive you are setting up communication with and press Create. Name the device here. Set the IP address of the drive here to match with the IP address you set for the drive in CombiViz under FB109. Press Change and select KEB Control for the drive. Press OK. Click Yes. Go to Connection and select Request Packet Interval. Click OK, and select Create, and select Close.